Hello, this short video will show you how to save a visualization to Tableau Public. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So the first thing you're going to need to do is just go to public.tableau.com and you'll land on this page here, and they will ask you to sign up for a Tableau account. Okay, so if I select here, I just need to specify my name, my email, my password, and that's going to create an account for you, a Tableau account for you. Now, once I have that account, okay, now I'm back here in Tableau Desktop. I'm going to select Server. Notice that I'm not signed into anything yet, okay? So when I say Server, I'm going to go to Tableau Public, and then I'm going to say I want to save this visualization to Tableau Public. All right. Now, when I do that, it is going to ask you to sign in. I'll talk about this error in a minute here. It's going to ask you to sign in with your Tableau Public information. Now, I've already signed in previously, so it knows that I am Chris Malone. But now you can see that I'm signed in here to Tableau Public under the username Chris Malone. Okay. Now I got an error, so let's try to save this one more time. Server, Tableau Public, save to Tableau Public. And I'm getting an error here. Now this error is actually a good error. So what is happening is that I am trying to save this visualization up to Tableau Public, which is up in the cloud somewhere. The data used for this visualization is sitting on my computer right now. I do not want to give Tableau Public access to my computer and to this data file. So what this message is saying is that it is not going to permit an external connection. So you have to create an extract of the data. That is required in order to save to Tableau Public. So how do I create an extract of my data? I got to go back to my data source, and up here the type of connection is either live or extract. Now live connection means that it's just connecting to that CSV file. If I make a change in that CSV file, that change is automatically reflected in my visualization. If I create an extract, that is creating a copy of that data that will be used by Tableau Public now. So when I say extract, let's go back to our data sheet. It wants you to save a copy of that data. So this name is fine, CWD, yep, that's fine. So now a copy of that data has been put into, okay, or is available. An extract of that data, excuse me, is available. So now when I say Server, Tableau Public, save it up to Tableau Public, it is going to work. All it needs is a workbook title. So I'll call this CWD in Wisconsin. Say save. And then that is going to publish this visualization out on Tableau Public. Okay, so now this visualization is sitting out on the internet on a Tableau Public server. And my tooltips here will work, obviously, so I can. This is rock deer management unit, I guess it is. It's 11% of the deer in that particular deer management unit have CWD. So that's what this visualization is about. You can use just this link here now to this visualization. So obviously if you want to share this visualization, you can just share that link. If you want to go see other visualizations that you've had, obviously there's Chris Malone has an account here, so you can click around and use those as well. You can actually create a original visualization in Tableau Public. You just need to obtain a data file, okay? But once you do that, your worksheet looks just like Tableau Desktop. It is exactly the same stuff. It does have some limitations, but again, Tableau Public here could be something that you could use after you leave Winona State, because you will not be able to use Tableau Desktop after you leave Winona State. So there you have it. That's how to create or to push a visualization up to Tableau Public. Thank you. Have a good night.